a flash flood warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania. Weather Service and State College. Flash flood warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania. Junior County in central Pennsylvania. Richland County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 12:04 p.m. have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0 across the warned area. Between 1 and the expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.25 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Chambersburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Lyclestown, Elizabethtown, Waynesboro, Berwick, Columbia, Sunbury, and Progress. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been